Hey everyone, Tony here. I do some computer work for the folks over at Shamrock Auto Repair in Exeter, PA. They've been having a tough time with customers bringing in their own parts for repairs, so I told them I'd use Gemini to help them out. I found a generic form online, Customer Furnished Parts Agreement, but it wasn't exactly what they needed. It has a gray background that's hard to read and doesn't have the shop's branding. So let's go over to Gemini and see what we could do with it. First off, let's upload the file. This is the original file. Okay, now I already have a prompt pre-made that I'm just going to copy and I'm going to paste into Gemini, which says number 1, change the title to Shamrock Auto Repair's Customer Furnished Parts Agreement. Number 2, remove the gray background. 3, use Montserrat font at 14 point. 4, replace the signature box with clean lines for the customer, Shamrock Auto Repairs, and a witness. 5, create it as a downloadable PDF file. Then we're just going to hit submit. Gemini is going to do its thing while it's writing. I don't know if I showed you the bottom of the PDF, but page 2, this is what we're changing here to add more. Okay, it says I have updated the following document with the changes. It says all the changes, so now let's click on the PDF and see what it came up with. Already, it looks a lot cleaner. Has all the agreements. Let's see what it did on the bottom. Customer signature, Shamrock. I like it. I like it a lot. So then all you're going to have to do is go up here, click download. And there you go. It's in your downloads. And you have your new agreement. And if there was anything in here that needed any adjustments, I used PDF Gear as my PDF reader. And you could come up here, click the edit button. You can edit the text. Say if you wanted to change something. Or you can undo it. Click save it. So you got a clean document ready for the shop. So if this helped you save some time today, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to make tech work for you. Have a great day.